Hey guys, welcome back to another Geordy Wynne Photography video. Today we will be exploring the vastness of Dutchman National Park located 25 kilometers northeast of Port Augusta. Before we get into the video, I would really appreciate it if you would like, comment and subscribe. Now back to the video. The trip starts on my back doorstep when I heard the cackling of a laughing kookaburra. He sat there majestically on a neighboring antenna. We arrived there at about midday. The sun was beaming down on my back, but I pushed through. On the way, we saw a couple of inland bearded dragons perching on the posts. The first species we saw there was a lone little corella. They like to play. Sometimes they slide down the steep roofs of wheat silos, falling off the edge and then flying back to the top to slide down again. They have also been seen perched on the blades of windmills, spinning round and round, falling off and then regaining a precarious grip on the blades. Even when perched, little corellas often hang upside down, or dangle below the perch, holding on with its bill. One species I was not expecting to see was the amazing secretive sacred kingfisher. The sacred kingfisher is a medium-sized kingfisher. It has a turquoise back, turquoise blue rump and tail, buff white underparts and a broad cream collar. There is a broad black eye stripe extending from bill to nape of the neck. Both sexes are similar, although the female is generally lighter with duller upper parts. Young birds are similar to the female but have varying amounts of rusty brown edging to feathers on the collar and underparts, and buff edges on the wing covers. Although it is a species of kingfisher, sacred kingfishers seldom eat fish. Instead, they usually hunt terrestrial prey, mostly taking insects, but they will also eat a wide variety of other small animals, both vertebrates and invertebrates. These food items are most commonly taken on the ground, with the kingfisher swiftly swooping or pouncing down from a branch or some other elevated perch onto the prey, sometimes taking it without landing. The food is then usually brought back to the perch, where it is eaten. The next species we saw was a loud and rambunctious group of white-browed babblers. The white-browed babbler is a small dark brown-grey bird with a white throat, a white-tipped tail and a long, pointed curved bill. It has a distinct white brow and dark eye stripe. The next and final species I viewed was a pair of common Galas. They sat a high pruning. I really hope you enjoyed this in-depth video of a couple of species I saw at Dutchman National Park. If you haven't yet, could you please subscribe, comment and like, as it really helps me out. Cheers guys.